Uyu ni mugunda wa Juankao uria uri gicigo-ini mbunge kia Rongai kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na kuria uthurimi wa kigwa giki kia golden fruit urathie na mbere. Jack Liu, murugamiriri munene wa mugunda uyu na raia wa bururi wa China, augite kigwa giki kiri na uguni kiondorita kuona ihinda ria gukura ne inini ukiringithanio na igwa iria ingi oro hamwe na gwitiria ucenjia wa riera.
Farmers, the miners and the government. Adoption of new technology to improve the productivity and upgrade people's living standards. As we know, seed is the chip of agriculture. No quality seed, no good produce. Yeah. So if we continue to use the traditional seedling for the sugar cane, yeah, so our farmers, they get income by 18 months up to 24 months, and the yielding is very poor. In the meantime, the miller also purchasing the no sucrose sugar cane, and the meaning result, the yield is also poor.
Liu augite itanya ria kigwa giki ni gucenjia thoko ya igwa guku bururi-ini kuona maciaro ma igwa ici mari na umithio munene kuri arimi. Perina Karemi kuma kambuni no augite arimi mangihimbiria urimi mwega na mbegu iri na maciaro mega mihuko yao no igacire.
So for the miner to make a profit, they have to increase the market price for selling. Yeah, for the farmers, no good seasoning, no good fertilizer support, no good training for good practice. Then each acre producing 10 tons, 15 tons, 20 tons, compared with the Chinese variety about 50 to 60 tons, you can see what's a gap. So the farmers, they have no money to invest for fertilizer, for pesticides. Yeah, no good seedling for high productivity.
But are we ready to go and get the quality product? What we are planting. You find you replant a maize 5 times and you expect the yielding to be the same. It cannot be the same. You practice the same thing continuously, no yielding. And that's why you say when you're buying something, like now Junkao is a hybrid, this is a hybrid, what you're getting is a quality product, which we encourage farmers. Because if this is producing 20 to 40, the sugarcane there is less. That tells you have been using the same product, no yielding, you replant again, there's no other new technology for over 50 years. Yielding will go down. So you have to also check. The farmers need to be educated and on quality and new technologies every day.
Geri Fotera, Shesheni ya Kameme TV, kuma gicigo mbunge kia Rongai kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, itagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.